One of my very favorite exercises to do with my students is humming. And we do that with we let it be nice and therapeutic. It doesn't have to be a full and this is a semi-occluded vocal tract exercise, SOVT. It is putting back pressure on your vocal cords, which is massaging them. It's nice warm air. Feel the resonance. Let yourself. You might feel buzzing in your nose, and you might feel a vibration in your lips, and that's good. It's good stuff. Okay, here we go. Relaxing. Take a deep breath. We're going to keep going up, and as we do, you can keep the M, or you can use the letter N like noodle, because as we go up, you'll feel that up in the upper nasal resonators. So try that. Try them both out. So here we go with the last one.